Manuel Lettenbichler, representing Red Bull KTM Factory Racing, is eagerly anticipating the commencement of the 2024 FIM Hard Enduro World Championship following his stellar performance in the previous season. With an impeccable record in 2023, where he clinched victory in every round of the series, Lettenbichler is determined to defend his title and extend his remarkable winning streak. Riding his favored KTM 300 EXC, Lettenbichler showcased impressive form during the winter in the FIM Super Enduro World Championship, finishing third overall after a series of demanding races. Now, having completed an intensive preseason of training and testing, the 26-year-old is in peak condition and prepared to tackle the challenges of the 7-round Hard Enduro Championship. Lettenbichler's dominance in the 2023 Hard Enduro season was unparalleled, securing back-to-back World Championship titles by emerging victorious in all 6 rounds of the series. His crowning achievement came at Germany's Getzen Rodeo, where he claimed his 6th consecutive victory, adding to the historic significance of his triumph. The 2024 Hard Enduro World Championship kicks off with the Valleys Hard Enduro in South Wales, followed shortly by the renowned Red Bull Erzberg Rodeo. Over the summer months, the series will venture to Serbia for the Zros Hard Enduro Rally, Romania for the fan-favorite Red Bull Romaniacs, and return to the United States for the Red Bull TKO. Additionally, this year's calendar introduces new events in Turkey with the Sea to Sky race and Spain with the Hispania Hard Enduro, which will serve as the championship's grand finale in October. Expressing his anticipation for the upcoming season, Lettenbichler reflects on his extraordinary journey in 2023, acknowledging the unexpected success that propelled him to make history in the sport. He emphasizes the extensive preparations undertaken during the preseason, focusing on enhancing his physical fitness and conducting thorough bike testing to optimize performance. While aiming to replicate his previous achievements, Lettenbichler acknowledges the uncertainties of the new season and remains adaptable to the challenges that lie ahead. He eagerly looks forward to the commencement of the championship in Wales, ready to embark on another exhilarating chapter in his career.